Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove VW Golf 1 9 TDI diesel injectors. Start by parking on level ground and chalking the wheels to secure the car. Remove the engine cover and clean around the injector area to avoid dirt contamination. Disconnect the battery and relieve fuel pressure using the factory service port. Gather a torque wrench and injector puller if needed. Work methodically and label each injector. Begin by removing components that obstruct access to the rail, such as the intake manifold or engine cover bolts. Carefully unplug each injector electrical connector and any vacuum hoses to avoid breakage. Loosen the fuel rail mounting bolts and support the rail as you unfasten it to prevent stress on the injectors. Keep a clean tray for small parts and note the order of injectors for correct placement at reassembly. Apply penetrating oil around injector bases and let it soak to ease extraction. Fit an injector puller to each injector and apply steady, even force to avoid twisting the shaft. Once free, lift injectors straight out and cap fuel lines to reduce contamination. Inspect injector tips, O-rings, and copper crush washers, replacing them as a routine step. Clean and dry the injector bores before installing new seals and seating injectors evenly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.